meow, 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 meow.
Thanks for following me, guys. Let's see where the cat goes today. It's cat from where the cat goes, and today we are checking out this former barn turned garage. It's pretty cool, so come follow me and let's go see what's inside of this from the 1880s. Awesome, right? Okay, I got the camera with so I can do my vision and see what's up top. Neighbor kitties. They're very friendly. Now I'll just have to review it. There, back in color. Well, you know what they say. When man moves out, animals move in. That tree's like right on top of it. Oh, they used to have locks on it, but the door is like gone. Oh, I wonder what this building used to be. Oh, roof's coming in. Oh, hemps. It's got the old turning dials. And this building used to be a part of that house, and that place used to be just land that was part of this house originally. Looks like there's some kind of used little barn. I think that door is pretty cool. It's got the old Cell Electric and light. Little barn door. This must have been the barn to that property over there. There. Yeah, I would definitely say this was once a barn. Look at even here in the middle. Kind of goes down, and the rest of it, birds there. And there's something, there's like a trough or something right there. See? I'm not sure what that is over there. Pretty neat. As you can see, the garage doors are coming down. They have for a window up there, which I guess probably stops the snow anyway. Yeah, and there used to be a window right there too. Oh yeah, you can see they've been doing some repairs, or at one time there was some repairs done. It's like bowing out here. Pretty bad. Wow, look at that. That's kind of cool. So this part here would have actually gone up and latched into that loop right there originally. This is like a big window on the side of the building. All I could think of is that it was a small barn. Maybe it's something else. There's another door up there. And that area kind of looks like a hayloft anyway, so it's probably what it was. Looks like they got a broken window there, boarded up. That also looks like it was done a long time ago. I really like that door. That's a pretty neat little door to me. Like the window on it and everything. I like that feature. I think that door's pretty neat. You can tell that was made in the old times. From my understanding, the date of this building is sometime approximately 1880s. Yeah, see right there used to be a sliding door there. Or maybe that was this. Yep, this one used to be the sliding door. That's pretty cool. So this place was built around the 1880s, and once upon a time, there used to be a road right here for the driveway once that building was turned into a garage. It used to be a part of the same property here, and that blue house used to be the house that all this property belonged to. We even had a 2-car garage at one time. That's awesome. I realized I forgot to take a good look at in here. This looks like it was an outhouse. Look at hey, it was the outhouse. Isn't that curious? These are pretty cool too. Little wheel pulleys there. That would have ran on that. Right there. See, it was like bolted on through the board, like right here. Hey, kitty.